So, I'm Niel. I'm from Batch 13 ng Uplift.
My name is R.R. Garcia. I am from Batch 16.
Hi, my name is Michelle Aquino. I'm from Batch 16.
Then, before joining Uplift, kakagraduate ko lang ng Electrical Engineering.
I was a former seafarer before joining Uplift.
Previously, I worked as a business development manager for a Malaysian software company.
Umpisa pa lang, parang interested na ako sa tech industry. Kahit nung college years ko, parang mas nag-enjoy ako sa coding subjects.
I shifted careers because of my children. I have 2 children now.
Since I'm able to talk to clients about the technology, I decided na I want to know the technology itself.
So, naghanap talaga ako ng bootcamp, makakapagpapasok sa akin sa tech industry, specifically programming.
I was exposed sa colleagues ko who were doing coding and got curious.
I saw an ad of Uplift and then I decided to apply.
Nung naghahanap ako ng mga forums or yung mga communities like Reddit, so doon ako naghanap ng suggestions kung ano yung magagandang bootcamp dito sa Philippines. Then, nag-stand out sa akin si Uplift. So, yung application ni Uplift, sa akin madali lang eh. Kasi gusto ko talagang matuto ng full stack. And gusto ko yung skills na matututunan ko sa Uplift ay maging ready para sa industry na. Kasi wala pa po akong work experience. So, si Uplift po talaga yung parang nag-base sa akin ng necessary skills.
I was looking forward to learn web development. I have no background at all. They told me that the tech industry is really a booming industry.
I was looking forward to learn how I can actually create applications based on some problems that I personally want to solve. Favorite part ko ng bootcamp is having nung community and yung classmates who are there with you, especially during difficult times because learning programming is not easy.
My first few months from the bootcamp, it was not that easy, but I could say that my instructors and my classmates were really helpful. We lift each other up.
Para sa akin yung community eh. Kasi sa Uplift parang nandun yung parang pagtutulungan. So, alam mo, sa work ko, tuwing may tanong ako, pwede akong magtanong doon sa mga dati kong kaklase or dati kong teachers.
My teacher is Sir Babs. He's a really great teacher. He's been patient with us. Every time we don't get a lesson, we just ask him to, if it's okay, to revisit that lesson.
I think yung pinaka-challenging sa akin ay yung mga project making. Kasi limited lang yung time nila. Pero at the same time, doon din po yung pinaka-na-enjoy kong part. Kasi po, parang doon po natetest yung sarili ko. And doon ko rin po na-apply yung mga natutunan ko sa Uplift. Ma-recommend ko si Uplift kasi based on experience, tutulungan ka talaga ni Uplift para ma-equip ka ng skills na kakailanganin mo sa tech industry.
I'll give a 10 to be honest because you're not just learning the syntaxes, you're learning how to think like a programmer.
I would give Uplift Code Camp an 11 out of 10. So far, my experience has really been great. The community is really very uplifting.
I-rate ko si Uplift ng 1 to 10. Ang ibibigay ko ay solid 10. Kasi nandun talaga yung parang hinahanap ko nung before pa lang mag-umpisa na humanap ng bootcamp for web development.
Uplift your game with Uplift Code Camp.
Uplift your game with Uplift Code Camp.
Uplift your game with Uplift Code Camp.
Uplift your game with Uplift Code Camp.